Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Talk with Kings. I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and for those that are new, then feel free to subscribing to the channel. Well, I just want to do a quick technical analysis on the stock market right now. As you can see right here, I'm doing some historical point back check. As you can see, this was 2021 during COVID. The market corrected almost 30%. Coming into 2023, we corrected almost 10%. Then coming into 2025, we corrected almost 21%. This was during tariff when the president, you know, officially got back to the office. So as you can see, this is 2026. This is the current data that we have right now. The market is down almost 10%. For me, this is a fair deal. If you see a stock market correcting 10%, because from what I'm looking at, I'm not seeing the market correcting almost 15 to 20%. I'm not saying the market cannot have another correction. We could have another correction down here. I'm not saying the market has possibility to come down if we keep having this whole negative, data and all this war going on. Then the market can come down to this level. But I'm not predicting that. But right now, this is a fair value because the market is down 10%. I'm not seeing this market doing 20% or 15% just like last year. I'm seeing the market repeating this play, repeating 2023 to 2024. We had almost 11%, 10 to 11%, yeah, and the market went up since, moved after, like since then. We might not have this 15% down. Well, at this very level, I'm seeing the market being ready to move. So if you're looking into investing, these are the this is how you make good decisions. You check a lot of things before you make decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate people that are looking into investing. Like I said, my channel is for educational purpose. Whatever I'm saying is not for you to buy or trade or hold or do or sell whatever you want to. I'm just telling you, these are opportunities that I'm seeing. But looking at what I'm saying, having 10% of the whole stock market down, this helps you make good decision because if you go to like all these tech companies, big tech, like if you go to Meta, as you can see right here, Meta is down almost 35%. You go to Microsoft, Microsoft is down how many percent? 35%. You go to Oracle, how many percent? Down. This one is gonna be, you see, Oracle is almost 60% down. This is a good deal, guys. This stock was almost $350. The same time last year, right here. This is where the stock market started moving back up. Right here, as you can see. Then the price was around 100 and almost $120. So meaning that the market went up almost about almost 200%, 190, like 90%. So this tells you that right now, these are the kind of investment places that you should be looking into putting your money. You can put $1,000 here and you can make like 5,000, 7,000 back in six to 7 months. Sometimes you just need to be patient because sometimes people just come and buy right here. And when the market crash, they say, oh, all this investment is all. Sometimes you need to understand how this market structure works. You need to understand a lot of things, technical analysis, fundamentals, a lot. So the purpose of my video is to educate people and show you how you can actually make money. Now, looking at this Oracle, this is a good tech company. They're going to reverse. Institutions like Wall Street, they like stocks like this. They like companies like this because these are like good deal. Now, if you go here, then go to Google search, put Oracle P ratio. This is how you know if a company is a good company to buy. As you can see right here, Oracle P current ratio right now is around 0.85, sorry, 0.85 to 1.20. Now, if you put Meta right here, as of today, the same thing, these are good values because when they go up, these companies they will double. Like this one, when they go up, this one is gonna double, meaning that whatever, as you can see right here, this is a price target that I did for some technical that I was working on. I'm looking at this testing coming almost $600 to 650 on Oracle. That's for a long term, looking towards 2025. But I'll do some technical analysis. I'll do a video on this tomorrow. But coming back into the stock market right now, this is how you look at the stock market and you make good decisions. If the market gives you 10% down, that's a fair value because you can get 10% from your bank. But right now, if you invest right now, you can have almost about 50% or 45%. Because when the market goes up, it's going to double or triple. So, but you need to know when to buy. Because a lot of people were buying up here and the market crashed. And they say, oh, the whole business, like investment, is scam. But it's not scam. You just bought when the market is already over value. Sorry, when the market is already overbought. So you want to buy more when the market is overvalued. Because when the market is overvalued, it gives you a fair deal, a fair price. And once that demand is high, it makes the price very expensive. So supply now is less. So you want to buy low and sell high. So when you look at things like this, then you look at a lot of these companies. They're gonna like you can make good decisions. You can pick some of these companies and invest money into. Now, if you come to Circle right here, Circle has corrected almost. This is a stock that went public last year. Circle corrected when they launched this stock, it was around $60. It went from $60 almost $300. And it corrected almost how many percent? Took back almost 80%. Okay, we came down almost, yeah, 80%. So I'm right. So these are opportunities for you to buy because they're going to double, they're going to triple from where they are right now. I think I did a video about this, about, yeah, in one of my videos. So back to the stock market right now. So this gives you good opportunities, like good information for you to prepare yourself. If you're looking into investing 1 year, 12 months, 2 years, these are good places for you to get it. But if you're a day trader, this is what I'm looking at tomorrow. I got into this play yesterday because this was a confirmation for me as of Monday. So with this confirmation, I knew that the price was going to go up, but we might do some correction. And the price did some correction today. With what? The same Trump. When you see, some crashes like this, if you check the news as of this time, this was all Trump. So there's a lot going on right now. And as you can see, the market opened here yesterday, brought the price all the way down here. And I got it into this trade, not around this level. This is where I got it. If I go to 1 minute, one minute was where I got my entry. This was yesterday. With the market, with this very candle that you're seeing right here, this bearish, this big bearish doji. This is a big one. This is a full bar. Doji candle can come into different form, but this was a bearish candle, a big bearish candle. So you can see right here, when I saw this, I saw that yes, we've broken, like we have a change in character from our structure. So this tells you that there are some decisions that you can make based on what you're seeing. And what did I do? I waited. Because sometimes all what you need to do is for you to wait. And what did I wait? I waited for the market to give me confirmation. And the confirmation came from here. This was the confirmation I had. When this next candle right here, got closed. We gap, like, sorry, we closed down with a full body candle, bearish candle. That that was a full confirmation for me that yes, we were gonna come down. So I let the market do some, to finish the correction. Then I waited because I wanted to see if we could break above this level, because sometimes the market could correct down like this, come down like this, back all this liquidity, break above this level, then you see us keep moving up like this. But in this case, we got rejection around this level right here. We got rejected around 555, and the market did more correction. So as you can see, coming into tomorrow, this is what I'm looking for the market to do, because we closed with a bullish candle right here. So this is another confirmation candle for me right here, that the market has possibility to go up tomorrow. Why? Because we closed above 655 and 658. So coming into tomorrow right now, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for the market, because with this news right here that I just shared with you guys, the market has possibility to go up. So meaning for tomorrow, I'll be looking, if the market gap up, this is what I'm looking for coming into tomorrow. If the market, if we have a gap tomorrow during the pre-market, the price, when the market open, this is what I'll be looking for. I'll be showing you two directions. Either the market would run up here, then get rejection, then pull back to close this gap. And this would be a good entry to play all the way towards 665. And if possible, we could retest 667. That's tomorrow. That's one scenario. Another movement, the market we could open from where the previous price ended yesterday, around this level, and the price, and we could push up, push back down, then continue. Then another scenario will be, if the market opened below the previous price, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking for the market to come down here, back some liquidity down here, for us to bounce off this level at around 650, 56, 55, because this is a very good level. As you can see right here, we respected this level, we broke beneath this level, we came down, we retest here many times. So this is a very level that you need to pay attention. 665, 55. So this is a strong level. So the market could open below the current price, sorry, the last price from yesterday, then we could have a pullback down here for the price to continue up, then get a bounce off here, then we keep going back up. So these are all opportunities that I'm seeing coming into the market tomorrow. But this is all about patience. If you're someone that don't have patience, then it's gonna be difficult for you, and you need to have a plan, because you can't just come into the market without no plan. But at the same time, if the market come down tomorrow and we cannot hold above this level at around 655, then if we break below and we get rejection right here, then I see possibility of us coming down to retest 651, which was the previous price as of yesterday. That's what I'm looking at. So the meaning that if we get rejection and anything below 665, then we have possibility to come down to retest this level right here. So these are key point that I'm looking at. But if we break above this resistance right here, if the market gap tomorrow, then all what I'll be looking for is for the market to pull down to, like, for us to close this gap. But sometimes you don't have to wait, because the market can actually do something like this. We could open here tomorrow, the market push up, come here, then continue. So you need to pay more attention. If you see that the market is not creating uh lower low, then it's creating more of lower high. This is 5 minutes. I'll start like my technicals for tomorrow is gonna be the first 15 minutes. That's the first 30 minutes. I'm gonna see where the market looks like, what the market looks like. Then I'll move into 5 minutes. Then my entry will be towards 1 minute. This is where I'm gonna get in and get out very quick. So these are all possibilities that I'm seeing for as for tomorrow. So coming into the market tomorrow, this is what I'm looking at. But the purpose of this video was to show you a clean way of how you can make good decisions when you want to invest. There are things that you need to check. It helps you make a lot of good decisions. So, and me, when I'm doing my technicals, I start from monthly, depending, weekly. Like now, this is SPY. So I like to see the whole market from a bigger time. So if the market is down 10%, it's a good time to start buying. When you see a stock market crashing 10%, buy. More than 10%, buy more if you have the money. Because definitely it's going to reverse as long as you're a long-term investor. So, and it helps you look at other companies. A lot of little tech companies, they're down. Like you say, this is Palantir. This one dropped almost 40%. All these companies, how much was this? This was Palantir in 2024, 2023. This was almost like $20, $19 stuff. But it went up almost about close to $200. So when you see the stock market crashing like that, if you're if you use an iPhone, if you use all this device, if you're driving Tesla, you can buy Tesla and you can still invest into their stock market and you can make money. So this is how you make good decisions. I'll be making some technicals by I think before Friday. I'll do technicals on Palantir and to show you where I'm looking to buy on this. A good level to get into Palantir will be around 125. The market came down to 126 to 125. This was a good time to buy right here. And if you bought here and you bought option for like a year, you're already up in profit because you bought in here. Let's say your strike price was around 126. Then right now, that 126 strike price, the price was around 126. Right now, the price came up as of last week. Yeah, so last week. No, that was last month. It came up to 161. But currently, right now, it's 150. So that means you are still up almost about how many percent? Almost about 25%. Sorry, about 20, $25 up. And in option, that's a lot of money. So this is how you look at some companies and you make good decision. But for this, I'm seeing another opportunity. If we have any correction coming into the market this week and next week, then we could have another opportunity to buy this around 125. But I'll do some technicals on this. Anyway, I just wanted to share this opportunity with the SPY. So that way you can see very clear that the market has already done with the V-shaped recovery. This is a V-shaped recovery that everybody is talking about. A V-shaped recovery. They want the market to do something like this, just like last year. This is the V-shaped recovery. And like I said, sometimes you cannot get, the market will not give you 100%. So if the market gives you 10%, then that's a fair value for you to start buying. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'll catch up with you guys later. Have a good day.